This is a video tutorial from IT for Medics. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a bar chart in Excel. So I'm going to talk about how to initially create the bar chart and also which formats of table work when you're creating a bar chart. So here I have some data. I've got some categories and I've got the frequency of each category, so the number of patients who have been discharged, follow-up, referred to other specialty or listed for theatre. The way I create a bar chart of this data is by highlighting the categories and ignoring the total at the bottom and ignoring the title patients, so just these 8 cells here. And then I go to Insert, and over in the Charts section here there's a little bar chart icon, and if I click that and I click 2D column, it generates a bar chart. And it's given me the categories and the frequency of each category. I wanted to show you one other thing, which is how the format of the table matters. So obviously here we've got everything vertically, but if you were to create a table that's horizontal, this is exactly the same data, it would work in exactly the same way. So you just highlight the data and the titles, go to Insert, Bar Chart, here, 2D column chart, and then click Enter. And there you go, you have exactly the same chart. The other thing that you can do is display the chart itself horizontally. So for example, if I highlight the same data as before and go to Insert, Bar Charts, and then instead of the sort of columns, I can do it this way around. So I click on 2D bar and it appears sideways. And this will work for both formats of table as well. So in this video, I covered how to create bar charts, and I also showed the different formats of table that work, which shows that you can either have your table horizontal or vertical, and then you can use that to produce either vertical or horizontal bar charts. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.